YouTube channel. Yeah, as you guys can see from the title, we're gonna cook today. What are we gonna cook, Miss Shafina? Your first menu?
Mozzarella cheese potato ball.
Yeah.
And then
We're gonna make this that we see on TikTok, the one that you can make. What do we call that?
chapati pizza.
Chapati pizza. So our chapati is on the way. So now we're gonna prepare the mozzarella cheese ball first, the potato cheese ball. And the measuring cup for the flour. And this is our second time doing the mozzarella cheese ball.
Oh.
The first time that we make it's why are you looking like you're sleepy?
No.
The first time that we make it's okay, it's nice. Only the cheese came out.
Yeah, the cheese can
Much potato. The potato is on the way cooking, so let's get into it.
boiling.
Boiling.
So the potato is already done. Miss Shafina gonna smash it really smoothly now. There, look like that. Oh.
Sorry. Putar balik yang tumpah tu jangan balik.
Yeah, don't waste. Okay, we're just gonna smash it until it's really smooth.
What do you think?
It's already okay. It's already nice and smooth. There. So now we're gonna add on the flour. Now we're going to put the all-purpose flour, which is tepung gandum.
It's not hard to get down to that much because I didn't only use 100 grams. I'm gonna do more of it. You want to add this more? Oh, I didn't really much more. Just enough. Okay.
Which is like 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Put it here.
And 125 ml of cornstarch. Tepung jagung. This is the corn flour.
Okay, that's enough. And mix everything well. And only put little by little inside the smashed potato there. So now we're gonna add on the flour little by little.
Okay. 1 spoon. Okay, mix first.
Yeah, mix everything well first properly. Make sure it's not too hard. Make sure it's not too soft. Because the first time that we did it, it's too soft. We're done with the potato. Look at that. It's perfectly smooth now. So now we're gonna make it into a ball.
Yeah.
Now, before you make it, make sure there's a plate with flour so that it will not stick.
And we already wash our hand, okay?
Since we have nothing to do at home also, on weekend we cannot go out because it's MCO. So why not learn a new recipe to do at home?
So, one more kita tutup dulu.
So we're gonna go for a small bowl. So we're just gonna put the mozzarella in there and close it and roll it. Oh no, make sure to close it properly. Only you roll it. There. Roll. The second one. Oh, it's cute. Why do you look at me like that? It's cute. Hi. And I'm gonna include the vlog that Miss Shafina cooked beef skin.
Flashback.
Hello guys, hari ni kita nak masak lemak cili pai di kulit lembu. Kini bahan-bahan yang kita dah kisar. Tadi kita kisar halia, cili, bawang putih dan bawang merah ya.
Serai.
Okey, ni kita ada 2 serai. Yang ni tadi kulit lembu yang kita dah rebus. Ni rebus kali kedua Dan kita dah buang semua segala lemak dan kulit-kulit lebihan tu. Okey,
Yep.
sekarang kita dah panaskan minyak. Okey, sekarang kita akan masukkan bahan-bahan yang kita dah kisar dan juga serai.
Semua.
Ya. Kita bagi dia, kita tumis dari bahan-bahan yang kita kisar tadi sehinggalah naik bau.
Gitu.
Okey, bau tak? Bau tak? Saya je boleh bau kat sini. Okey. Boleh macam coklat-coklat sedikit.
Chili last kasi masuk ke sekarang?
Selalunya kalau I masukkan terus dia sekali semua.
Kenapa tak cakap? She never said anything, I don't know.
I tak tahu cara you masak macam mana.
I just follow your instruction, this your recipe. And it's our first time eating beef skin.
Ya, first time juga I masak beef skin. Sebelum ni I makan je.
Down, like that. Do you want to put kunyit or no?
Later.
Oh, later.
Selalu macam mana? You letak sekarang ke nanti?
Tak sekarang.
Boleh je sekarang. Kita ikut cara. Ini senang. Semuanya dah
sikit.
disediakan. Ya, powder.
On? On. Sebab kita nak bagi dia rendam lagi, biar kulit lembu tu berenang-renang lagi dalam air. Bagi dia rendam nanti dulu. So just gonna wait this until it boils? Ya. Begitu ya kawan-kawan.
Nanti jangan lupa share, subscribe and like.
Recipe Google.
Ya. Dia punya cara, hey Google.
Yeah, if you don't know how to cook something, just search on Google. Google can help you. Or just
Yeah.
go to YouTube, how to cook beef skin.
A few inches later.
It's already starting to boil, so Miss Shafina now is just gonna put the beef skin in
Ya.
inside there.
Okay, lepas mendidih, kita letak. Kita bagi dia berenang-berenang dulu supaya kuah tu dia rasa macam beef skin, and then we will wait for a while.
Yeah, and don't forget to put
The santan.
coconut milk. We don't have fresh coconut, so we just use this coconut milk inside the
Yes. Everything.
Yeah, if you have coconut milk like this at home, just use this. If you have fresh
Yeah.
coconut, it's much more nicer to use fresh coconut.
Yeah. Sekarang kita akan letak santan. Okay, tengok ya Rabbi. Okay, dah ke?
So we're just gonna close this for 10 minutes.
Ya.
So we'll be back with you guys later.
Okay, kita kembali lagi selepas tinggalkan dia selama 10 minit supaya dia berenang-renang dalam tu. Okay, sekarang kita akan letakkan garam. Cukup rasa. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome back, and then we're done already for our kulit lembu. Here is it, and after this we gotta have dinner. Okay, kita akan dinner, kita akan makan malam hari ni. Lepas ni, okay. Bam, that is it. Yeah, first kita ada papadam. Ada 2 setiap pinggan ya. Nampak tak? Nak tambah tu ada lagi. Okay, lepas tu kita ada apa ni?
Adobo chicken feet. It's kaki ayam masak kicap in Malay. In the Filipino, it's adobo chicken feet.
In
Yeah.
Chinese?
In Chinese, I don't know. Google it. And
Okay,
we have
yang ni?
vegetables. I don't know what you call this.
Ni sayur. Ni kacang botol, sayur masak cili padi I think.
Yes.
Okay. Kita ada hot dog cheese. Ini kita dah beli semalam sebenarnya, tapi
Just reheat.
reheat saja. Okay, kita ada telur dadah. Telur dadah, ikan, and this is
Our
our
special menu for today.
Yeah.
For the first time, we're gonna eat beef skin. Kat Malay, kulit lembu masak lemak.
chili api.
Yes.
Okay,
And
that's
we have rice, of
it.
course. And yep, we're gonna eat dinner.
Okay kawan-kawan, selamat menjamu selera makan malam. Okay.
When Miss Shafina cooked beef skin for the first time, and it's our first time also to eat beef skin, and Miss Shafina really, it's really delicious.
Yeah,
But the only thing is it's too spicy. That's why we call masak lemak cili api, tapi berapi.
Masalah macam api berapi kebabu.
So we'll be back with you guys when we're done rolling everything, so that the video will not be too long. And see you guys later when we're done doing all of this. Bye.
Bye.
We're done circling everything here. How many pieces we have here?
About 30?
About 30. And we have still extra here. I don't know if we're gonna fry this all. Maybe no. Maybe just 1 plate or 2, because we're gonna make the chapati pizza, right? And we forgot something. We really forgot. We forgot to put salt, white pepper, and black pepper on the potato. We just remember when we scrambled the egg. I don't know what it's gonna taste like that day. It's soft. I don't know now, but hopefully it will taste still okay. It's okay. Sometimes everybody struggle.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna fry this. Before we fry this, we're gonna put the flour and egg and breadcrumbs. So let's see the result later, and let's see what does it taste like.
Okay.
So we already scrambled the egg. We already put white and black pepper, which is really forgot just not to put. So we're gonna put salt a little bit here also to give it.
Meanwhile, a few inches later.
So now we're just waiting for our second homemade pizza because the first one is already done. We're gonna wait for the second one, and we're gonna do taste test, and yeah. And if you guys really see, this is the mozzarella cheese ball. It's cute, right? I don't know. It looks like fish ball that people sell at Pasamalam. Yeah, cute like Miss Shafina, and it's really really cute. Miss Shafina said it looks like lasagna. There. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Maybe we should buy the one at the grocery. It's quite thicker because this is quite thin. Because this is homemade chapati. Uncle Brian make this because we don't have what we call this prata. So we just use the chapati that Uncle Brian make. And yeah, let's wait for later. How is it, the mozzarella cheese ball? Since she already tried first.
Okay.
I don't know how to say this is a fail or not. It looks okay now because the cheese never came out, but we forgot to put salt. So next time if you guys do, please don't forget to put salt and black pepper and white pepper. Don't do like us. Now the two pizza is already done. The homemade pizza. And our mozzarella cheese ball. So now
Boleh tarik tak ni?
I'm going to try the mozzarella pizza. So
Oh gitu. Sedap.
it's nice. Luckily, when the time I was boiling the potato, I put a little bit of salt. Because after this, we're gonna watch movie while eating this. So before we end the vlog, let's do taste test first. First impression, our homemade pizza.
Nice, really nice.
Really?
Sedap gila. Betul. Dia punya crunchy punya chapati tu kat bawah tu. Ya.
So now we can make homemade pizza. So I'm just gonna call mommy to try this and be back. Mommy's gonna try the pizza. Come here, man. There's the breadcrumbs here because mommy helped us. Let me try first the pizza.
Pizza no, pizza chapati.
Yes, pizza chapati. Man.
Pizza no.
Chapati.
Nice.
Nice, right?
Nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Really nice. Ya, bukan penuh.
Cheers.
Kan, rasa crunchy dia kan?
This one we find this recipe is from TikTok. It's like the prata one. You put spaghetti sauce and make like a homemade pizza. But this one, me and Miss Shafina just decided to do. We just search on YouTube how to do easy mozzarella cheese ball. And yeah, it turned out like this, and it's still yummy. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching this vlog. Me and Miss Shafina cook at home. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys on our next vlog. Bye. Say bye, Ma. Bye.